Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here from WeBe Autos. Today we have a very special 1972 Chevelle. The widow here, her husband owned this car for many years and unfortunately passed away. So we're going to tell you a little bit about it. So how are you today?
Pretty good.
Cool. So
this is kind of bittersweet to let the car go because my husband really enjoyed it. He took care of it. It was his baby. He was always cleaning it, taking care of it, redid the engine, rebuilt the engine, everything. So it took 3 years to get to this point, but I know that he wouldn't want it just sitting here and not have anybody else take care of it and enjoy it, because I really have no clue what to do. But the car is beautiful. I love the car, and like I said, it's very bittersweet.
yeah, let me show you guys around. Basically, it's a 396 4-speed. It is numbers matching. It's a real SS sitting on the rallies. I believe the color is Musane blue. It's got a black interior, and let's check it out. He also, it was painted too, didn't he paint it? You don't remember? I think I saw a receipt in there for some of the paint work done. Yeah. Looks pretty original.
Yeah.
And
Cleaning it out.
oh yeah, I can imagine. It's a very solid car, guys. 396. He had it rebuilt. I have the receipts. Well over $5,000. It says oversized pistons, so I'm only assume that it's probably 30 over. 396 30 over, and it is numbers matching. Power steering, power brakes. It's been sitting since 2000. It's been sitting since 2013? 2015. So a couple years. Real nice door panels. Yep. It's also been recently tuned. Looks like it's got the original carpets in here. Bench seat, 4-speed, showing 69,357 miles. AM FM radio. 4-speed with the Hurst shifter. Runs really nice. Blower motor is bad. Dash looks great. It's like an original seat in here. The original GM belts. It's like an original Hill headliner. Back seat also looks original to me. Exhaust with oval tips. Sounds like he's got Flowmasters on there. This car's priced to sell. It's not going to break the bank. Door panels look great. Big block under the hood. I think it's bored 30 over. Rebuilt with no miles on it. Power steering, power brakes. It is the original motor that came in the car. Trim tag looks pretty good. Looks like original rally wheels. Tires have some dry rot on them. You're definitely going to need new tires. But the body's great. Real nice fitment of all the doors. Paint shows well. Some fading on the top here, and also some rust developing around the rear window. Also some fading spots in the stripes themselves. This is probably the worst part. Underneath the doors and everything looks fantastic. Floors look great too. You can see these the pictures on the website. Motor runs great. Like I said, it's just freshly rebuilt. See a picture of the blockhead on the website. I'm having a hard time getting to it here. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.